Hello, and today we're going to talk about ezfocus's offline data services and how to use them to build your own API data feeds. As part of the national subscription, ezfocus is starting to offer more offline data services. Our web tool is designed for ease of use, but many of our clients have gifted and advanced analytical people available on staff to do work with data in its raw form. In order to accommodate these needs, we have designed our API section. First things first, go to ezfocus, under Management, go to Raw Data Resources. There are certain APIs that are included with a national subscription or a premium regional subscription, including the ability to export every My Products Listed To tab all into one feed. That will let you do national scope analysis of things like on-premise merchandising or A&P forecast budgets. In order to get this API available to you, the senior admin of your company will need to subscribe to the API. If they need help with this, please reach out to your contact person at ezfocus. If any of the APIs interest you, you can see them below here, and you can click on one of the Excel buttons here to download a sample of what the data will look like should you choose to subscribe to it. Once you subscribe to the API, the buttons for samples are no longer needed. All you do is open Excel, a blank workbook, and the first thing you want to do is get your Excel ready to create your API. Go to Get Data, down to where it says Query Options. And the first thing we want to do is make sure that there's no guck in our Excel data loader. So we're going to go to Data Load, scroll down to the bottom, clear the cache, and make sure that the maximum allowed megabytes is 1, and then hit OK. Now we're going to tell Excel to import our API. Hit the Data tab, hit the button for Get It From Web, and it's going to ask you for a URL. You go back to your ezfocus, choose what you want the parameters of this to be. So in this case, I would like to export licensee data from the province of British Columbia, and I'd like all my segments. I'm then going to select the link. I'm going to put that link in my URL. This will take an amount of time relative to how much data the API is building. So from a smaller market, it'll only take a few seconds, and in a larger market, it can take up to 2 or 3 minutes. The good news is you only need to do this once. After the first window appears, we're going to transform the data. So I hit the Transform Data button, and it opens my Power Query window like this. And the first thing I'm going to do is configure the source by clicking the gears button. I'm going to type my file origin to none, and I'm going to open the file as a JSON, J-S-O-N. OK. If I see one solid green column like this, I'm in good shape. I right click and I hit To Table. This is an OK window, just hit OK. And then we're going to talk about our columns. This little emblem here that looks like the column splitter, we're going to click that. Give this a hot second to load. It's going to need to load all the columns that the API applies to, and we're going to uncheck the box that says use original column name as prefix. Hit OK. The query will load and update. And now we're ready. All I got to do is hit the close and load button. What Excel does is it applies the API that you've built and creates you a live refreshable table. So now, if one of your salespeople indicates that they have a buy the glass or a buy the bottle listing in any account across the country using their ezfocus web or mobile app, all you would need to do is right click, refresh this API, and the data will upload in real time. Using other sheets in your workbook and stuff like inserting pivot tables or creating summaries, you can now analyze your data to your heart's content in its raw form. If you have any additional questions about these new ezfocus services, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks.